Hello everyone. Previously, we have created Excel templates for the BI reports and we generated the Excel outputs. Okay, but what is the method we have used previously is we have taken the blank template which is provided in the samples folder. Okay, by using that we have created the template and we have placed the tags inside this template and we used it. Okay, now what we will do is we will create one Excel template from the scratch. Okay, and we will generate the Excel output. Okay, if you want to check how we have done the template by using blank Excel template from the samples folder, you can check out the previous video. I will be added that video in the card section. Okay, let me create one Excel template. Okay, I have opened the Excel file. Now what I will do here is I will go to file and I will click on save as. Once I click on save as, I will select this PC to save the template. What I will give the name here as demo. I am giving the name as demo.xlsx, and in the Excel workbook, save as type of Excel workbook, I will click on this drop down Excel 97 to 2003. But make sure you need to select .xls. You are having .xlt also. You shouldn't select this .xlt. You have to select .xls. Okay, Excel 97 2003 workbook .xls. Select it and click on save. Once you save this file, now we can generate our tags. Okay, and we can place our 4 columns here and we can create the group. Okay, let me open the data model. I am opening the data model. Once I open the data model, okay, I am going to structure. We have 4 columns: person number, full name, phone number, and email address. Let me go here. Let me take the header first. Person number. After that, full name. After that, phone number. After that, email address. Okay, I have taken 4 columns. Let me give a few styles. Let me make it as background as blue color, the letters as white color. All these styles will be applicable, not a problem. Now what I will do is I will rename the sheet. I will rename the sheet as person details. Okay. Here there is no XDO metadata sheet for us. If we are taking the template from the samples folder, there we are able to see XDO metadata sheet, and we hidden that. We didn't use that. Okay, but here there will be no XDO metadata sheet. We can directly give the tags here. So for A2 person number, I am copying this person number tag from the structure and I am pasting it in the box, name box. Okay, what is our syntax? XDO underscore. You have to give everything in caps. What I will do is I will do it as caps XDO underscore question mark. We need to give our tag name and question mark, enter. This is over. We need to give all other tags for this all other columns. Let me do it. Okay, I have added all the tags. See, XDO underscore full name, XDO underscore phone number, XDO underscore email address. Okay, now let me download the sample data. Let me download the sample data. Click on data, click on view, export. Once I click on export, I am able to see the sample data file, like .xml file. Let me go to Excel and let me click on this publisher tab. Let's click on sample XML and select the file. Okay, I have selected the sample XML file. Now I am able to see the preview. Let me click on this preview button. Once I click on this preview button, Our preview will be open. Okay, now here it is showing preview failed. Why? Because if you read this statement here, java.lang.array index out of bounds exception, index 1 out of bounds for length 1 at oracle xdo template excel object group dot add to new row object. What's this mean? Excel dot object group dot add to new row object. That means we didn't provide the group tag. Okay, in our previous video, whenever we are using that blank template file, we didn't add the group tag, but we are able to see the preview. At the time, what happened? We got all the values in a single cell side by side, but it is not showing up like that also here. Okay, so what I will do here is, now I will add the group tag by selecting the 4 columns. Okay, now what I am going to do here is giving the group tag xdo underscore xdo underscore group underscore question mark. What is our group tag here? G1, G underscore 1. Okay, question mark. The group tag is finished. Okay, now let's see the preview. See, we got the preview and we are able to see the data. Okay, so this is how we can generate the template from the scratch. So what I will do here is, I will just save this template. Okay, I saved this template. Let me upload this template into our BI publisher. Okay, uh, 1 minute. Let me upload it. I am selecting this report and I'm clicking on edit. This report we already created last time to give you the demo. Let me click on view a list. Here we are able to see one XPT template. It is giving the data XML output. What I will do here is, I will click on plus and I will select the template. I will give it as a demo2 layout name and I will choose the file and I selected the file demo. After that, I will select the template type as Excel and I will select the language as English, local as English, and clicking on upload. Once it got uploaded, okay, the template got uploaded. What we will do here is, we will click on view report once we click on view report, in the person details report we are able to see the first template which is in XML output, like data output. Next one is demo2, which is our new template. Just click on it. It is loading the output and we are able to download one Excel file. Just click on this file. We are able to see all the details, all the records. Okay, see, phone number, person number, full name and their email address, all those details we are able to see. Okay, this is how we are going to create the Excel template from the scratch. Okay, and we have seen what are the differences between that uh, blank Excel template which we have taken from the sample and here. Okay, and we have seen how to check the errors when we are seeing the preview. Okay, this is all for the video, guys. We will see few other features also in the Excel template, some advanced functions, all those things in the upcoming videos. Thank you very much.